What it do? What it do? Oh, voice crack. What it do, YouTube? It's me. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but I had to post because I picked up this lovely game right here. You know. Got the receipt. Got the launch edition bonus content. You feel me? And we're gonna open it up. You feel me? First, what you need is a dagger. You need a dagger. Actually, it's not a dagger. It's a letter opener. Parents do not trust me with knives. I don't know why. I do not know why. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Jesus. Ow. Oh, the DLC. Look what they try to add. Oh, this beautiful game right here. The story may be a little weird, but if you didn't get it, because you're not open-minded, bro. You're not open-minded, bro. Your mind's not open. But Predator, ain't nobody want this weak game, bro. And here go the bonus content thing. Can't show y'all the back, because then y'all gonna take all my goodies. I'm literally an idiot. But look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna read it to you. A storm is coming. That is it. That's all I'm reading. Well, basically, expect gameplay this either today or like, I don't know about Saturday because I gotta work. But if I might, because I know y'all miss me. I know y'all miss me. And so, we gonna have something a little new on the channel. Some gameplay. If you were here, like an OG, you know that I had Get Ready With Me. And why? Because I didn't know how to stream or whatever. But expect gameplay. You're gonna hear my friends in the back. Friends are hilarious. Because I'm hilarious. Duh, they get it from me. I'm their father. Not really. That's a little weird. But yeah, expect gameplay. Blase. And yeah, catch you tomorrow. Ladies, so die. Yeah.